Very good day to each and everyone who is watching this video. So in this class that we are going to discuss about this Menten equation. Okay. So before moving to that, let me tell you something about enzyme. So what is meant by this enzyme? Enzyme, you know that these are biological catalysts, and these enzymes having a capacity for accelerating biochemical reactions, right? Okay. And so while moving on to this Menten equation, we need to understand about a very important point, that is when enzyme that bind with substrate. Okay, enzyme bind with substrate, that we know that it results in formation of enzyme substrate complex, and these enzyme substrate complex is reversible. Okay, enzyme when bind with substrate, that may result in formation of enzyme substrate complex, and these enzyme substrate complex is reversible. Okay, and so you know that reversible reactions can be indicated by this. Okay, so from this enzyme substrate, that results in formation of enzyme plus product, and those reactions is irreversible. Okay, so let's mark its kinetics as K1, K2 and K3. Okay, let it be here. And coming to next important point that we need to understand is, so at constant temperature, okay, at constant temperature, the rate of reaction will be directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. Okay, at constant temperature, the rate of a reaction will be directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. So the best thing that can be said is that A plus B gives and gives back C, D. So the rate will be directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. Okay, this will be the answer. So at constant temperature, when A plus B gives and gives back C plus D. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So the rate, okay, the rate of a reaction will be directly proportional to the concentration of reactant. That's it. And so next, let's discuss about for enzyme kinetics. Okay. So while we are talking about this enzyme kinetics, now you need to look at here. That is enzyme plus substrate that gives and gives back enzyme substrate complex. Then it may result in formation of enzyme and product. So here we denote as K1, here we denote as K2, and here we denote as K3. That's it. So while we are talking about this enzyme kinetics, so we need to write that is K. Okay, Km. Km means Menten equation. Menten constant. So Km will be equal to K3 plus K2 divided by K1. That is the first and foremost equation that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, so while we are talking about enzyme kinetics, Km is equal to K3 plus K2 divided by K1. And what is this K3, K2 and K1? So K3, K2, K1 represents a velocity constant of respecting reaction. So here you can see that respecting reactions was here enzyme plus substrate that gives enzyme substrate, that is K1, and from enzyme substrate that results in formation of enzyme plus substrate, that is K2, and from this enzyme substrate complex it may result in formation of enzyme plus product, that is K3. That's it. Okay, and let's discuss about another equation, that is V. V is equal to V max substrate divided by Km plus substrate. Okay, so then what is mean by this V? V means measure velocity. Okay, V max means what? V max, we know that is maximum velocity, and S means substrate concentration, and Km means that is Menten constant, that Km, the equation to find Km that we had already discussed here. Okay, so if a particular question has been asked to find V, if the V max or Km substrate is provided, you can simply write down the answer. And if a particular question has been come to find out the V, if V max and some K1, K2, K3 is provided, then first of all you need to find the Km and substitute the answer of Km here, and then you will get a final answer. Okay, so this was a very brief class regarding the topic Menten equation. So I hope you understand. I'm definitely sure that this video would help you for your quick revision. So if you need a very quick revision about this topic, kindly put on my video. So thanks for your watching, and I hope you understand my class, and please put on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching.